stop cluttering your screen with dozens of open windows, here is how you guys can create a virtual desktop in Windows 11. You can keep work or gaming or any personal browsing stuff completely separate. It's very simple that you guys can do that. In Windows, you can hover on this one here, this icon. This is called the virtual desktop. All right, you can just click on new desktop and it should give you the fresh desktop, but you can still switch between your desktop 1 or desktop 2, or even you can create as much desktop that you guys want. You should do this because if you wanted to isolate the application that you guys wanted to work with, it's going to make you much more productive, because this is how you can open some application here. Like, let's say I wanted to open some apps here. For example, let's say Paint here. I want to work here on Paint. Now in next window or next desktop, you can open some other application. For example, Audacity. This is where I will be recording my audio. In next desktop, you can open any other application that you guys want. Okay, you can still open this with your Windows shortcut. Like the Windows shortcut for opening a desktop is Windows Command and D, and you can see as much you guys press this button, like Windows Command or Windows Control D, it's going to bring you the next fresh desktop. As you guys can see that we have created a lot, we don't need this much. All right, for right now. Now you can customize this desktop as well. If you wanted to customize, right click and rename. You can say this, like for Paint, I will type your Paint. On desktop 3, audio recording for Audacity. That's how you change the name. And not just that, you can change the desktop background. You can see we can choose the background. Choose the background from here. You can browse the wallpaper if you wanted to, which I really don't have right now, since I have created this on slideshow. Make sure that you need to click on from slideshow. If you have slideshow, make sure to choose picture, and instead of any pictures that you want, you can choose this one, for example. Now on my Paint tab, it will have a separate wallpaper. On audio recording, I have a different one. We can still set that if it doesn't apply. Let me choose the background here. This one, a grass. It seems beautiful. Now we have a different background for a different desktop. Here on a Paint, we have a different background, as you guys can see that. So yeah, I think this video was useful for you changing the desktop and working apps isolating. All right, if you guys found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to keep your PC running more fast and smooth. Thanks for watching.